Welcome to the AI Money Vault channel. I asked ChatGPT to tell me everything about itself. The response will shock you. This is the prompt I used. You are ChatGPT, right? Good. I want you to tell me everything about yourself. Give me a comprehensive list of all the things you are capable of doing, using the phrases "I can do" and "you can use me too." Both your free version and your paid version. The response from ChatGPT. Let me give you a full structured breakdown of who I am and what I can do, both in the free version and the paid ChatGPT Plus GPT-5 Pro version. I'll phrase everything using "I can do" and "you can use me too," so it's clear and actionable. ChatGPT T4o Mini. This is the lighter, always available version of me. I'm fast and optimized for everyday use. Core abilities: I can do natural conversations in text, answer questions, and explain concepts clearly. I can do creative writing, stories, scripts, dialogues. I can do summaries of long texts, notes, or documents. I can do rewriting and editing to improve grammar, clarity, or tone. I can do brainstorming for business ideas, projects, or content. I can do fact-based explanations, though sometimes I may need updates from the web. Everyday uses. You can use me to draft emails, letters, and professional documents. You can use me to study by explaining complex subjects in simple terms. You can use me to practice languages, write translations, or correct grammar. You can use me to generate social media posts, captions, and hashtags. You can use me to get recipes, workout plans, or daily affirmations. ChatGPT Plus Pro, paid version, GPT-5 and GPT-4o Full. This is the advanced version of me. It's smarter, more creative, and much better with reasoning, analysis, and real-world tasks. Advanced intelligence. I can do deep reasoning, step-by-step problem solving, and advanced logic. I can do creative storytelling with long-form writing, novels, scripts, video series. I can do professional research assistance with structured reports. I can do business planning, market research, SWOT analysis, pitch decks. I can do coding in many languages: Python, JavaScript, C++, React, etc., and debug errors. I can do financial modeling, budgeting, and investment breakdowns. I can do learning personalization, design courses, study guides, quizzes. Productivity and work. You can use me to generate and analyze spreadsheets, CSVs, PDFs, and other docs. You can use me to create presentations, ebooks, and formatted reports. You can use me to automate workflows with scripts and AI tools. You can use me to outline, edit, and optimize SEO content. You can use me to write and debug code, or even build entire apps. Creative and media. You can use me to design YouTube video scripts, TikTok ideas, and viral hooks. You can use me to draft ads, sales pages, and product descriptions. You can use me to create world building, character arcs, or dialogues for novels and films. You can use me to generate prompts for AI art, video, and music tools. Data and analysis. I can do charting, graphing, and statistical analysis. I can do comparisons of data sets or financial reports. You can use me to analyze trends, make forecasts, and provide insights. Specialized uses. You can use me to plan side hustles and passive income streams. You can use me to build courses, ebooks, and digital products for online sales. You can use me to research and explain laws, policies, or religious texts. You can use me to simulate conversations, role play, or practice speeches. You can use me to generate study flashcards, mind maps, and exam prep notes. With vision, both free and paid. I can do image analysis, describe, interpret, or explain picture screenshots. You can use me to read documents, menus, or signs from images. You can use me to analyze charts, graphs, or infographics. You can use me to generate image prompts for tools like DALL-E or Midjourney. With Web Access Pro, I can do live searches for the latest news, prices, events, or laws. You can use me to fact-check information in real time. You can use me to research companies, products, or market opportunities. With Files and Tools Pro, I can do analysis of spreadsheets, PDFs, and Word docs. You can use me to generate ready-to-sell ebooks, reports, and study guides. You can use me to edit presentations, create structured reports, or draft contracts. You can use me to create, read, and transform code files. In short, free version, GPT-4o Mini. Quick, everyday help for writing and light creativity. Paid version, GPT-4o Full. Professional-level intelligence, creativity, data analysis, coding, web search, file handling, and business building.